Hey y'all, so today we're going to be installing this wig. This hair is from Xrsbeauty. This video is sponsored by them. This is a 24-inch 13x6 clear lace 200% density deep wave wig. Every wig will come with some goodies like a stocking cap, combs, edge brush. Real quick, I just want to show you the difference between the transparent lace and the clear lace. That's the clear lace. It's melted, and this is the transparent lace. This wig did come pre-plucked, which I can appreciate because I am not good at plucking. Right now, I'm just hot combing it to get the hair straight at the roots, so it's easy for me to like part and to work with. Also, you can notice how small the knots are, which means you're going to get like a really good realistic look when it comes to your wig and how it looks.
One of them ones. I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Didn't even leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show.
Since I really don't have much forehead space, I like to mark where I want my lace to go so I know not to exceed that. Sometimes I can pull my lace down too far and it begins to look weird. So this is just a tip. If you're like me and you have a smaller forehead and you pull your wigs down too far, just take a liner and mark it. Personally, I feel like glue really melts the wig and makes it look the most realistic. I'll touch up with spray, but I love to go in with glue when I'm applying a wig.
I never had thoughts that control me until something bad left me so lonely, and I want it back. I want the old me. I'm trying to forget, but things just remind me. There's a million things I could say, but you never really knew that. But you never really knew I felt this way. Wanna take it back to when we had it just like that. Had it right on track, and I keep I never had thoughts that control me until something bad left me so lonely, and I want it back. I want the old me. I'm trying to forget, but things just remind me. There's a million things I can say, but you never really knew that.
Just disregard how the lace looks right now, but I'm going in to make it a middle part. I really enjoy middle parts, especially with curly hair, so making it a middle part. But the lace is really good. I kind of forgot to wipe off the white liner, so I'm gonna have to figure that out a little bit later, but the clear lace on this wig is amazing. I really wanted to try to do some baby hairs, but baby hairs has never been my thing. Like, I just don't know how to do them on myself, but I tried like the flat iron method. I do need to get me a smaller flat iron if I'm going to attempt to do this again, but it didn't come out the worst, but it definitely didn't come out the best. I was using Spritzy Witsy, I believe that's what it's called, and it did help it to hold. So yeah, look at the lace. Just look at the lace. I'm telling y'all, if you're looking for you a new curly wig, definitely check them out.
And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap, but see, and we throw it up. Fall, while my niggas throw it up. Every time I took good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your life for real.
have the wig on, looking at the hair, and the hair was so full, it looked so good. Now I'm going to go in and just hot comb my part just to make sure it's straight. Before going in to like drench the hair in water and conditioner, I do enjoy blowing the hair out or brushing the hair out first.
When I'm up in the function, Johnny Dang on a chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby woman, Naj with the body, it's bustin'. This dress look good cause I'm in it. Big body Range Rover, now renting. I'm in my bag, I'm in my trophy. Trip down in Prada, shooters just sent me. Big down, big money, big pressure. I stomp on hoes, no effort. Yeah, man on my DM, you should leave him. When I ask about his girl, he don't remember. What bitch you know this flight though? Yeah, bitch, I'm bad, no Michael. Fuck on my ops, ain't shit friendly. Bitches is broke, no you can't check me.
XRS Hair has some of the best wigs I've ever had. Definitely very full from top to bottom. The lace is good. I enjoy the clear lace. It just melts in and literally just looks like skin. Right now I'm just going in, wetting the hair. I'm an in-between girl. I don't like my hair too big and I don't like it too flat. So I'm just wetting the hair. To fix the part, I just always put a little bit of concealer on my part because I like the way it look. You don't have to do it if you don't like the way it look, but I like it. And this is the conditioner I like to use. I think it's a conditioner or like a leave-in something, but this makes the hair kind of stay in place. It does poof up, but it doesn't get like extremely just big. So I really like that stuff. I think I got it from like Walmart.
She moved out of state, shit doing left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get to sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, shawty is going legit, shawty is going legit. Me, I'm
And this is the final result. After a couple hours, the hair kind of dried, but it's not too big. It's not too flat. I am obsessed. As you can see, or as you can't see, the lace is melted like wet lace. It looks so good. Definitely would recommend Xrsbeauty. Definitely check out their clear lace. It's really, really good. And this is how it looks. All the information will be down in the description box along with a coupon code that you can use to get you some hair today. Thank you so much for watching.